In this demo, I'm going to show you how to move money from your exchange account to your Base app wallet. By moving money from a centralized exchange to your user-controlled wallet, you gain total ownership over your funds. Remember, only you have access to and can move your funds when they're in your user-controlled wallet, like the Base app. You can also use these funds across the mini apps and the social feed. Let's dive in. I've logged into my Coinbase account and I'm on the home page. To see the crypto I have in this account, I'm going to go to My Assets. From My Assets, I can see I have some Ethereum and Solana. Remember, the Base app only accepts ETH tokens and tokens on Ethereum Layer 2 networks, so I could not send Solana to my Base app. To send ETH, I'm going to click on the three dots on the right-hand side of the screen. I'm going to click Send. Then I'm going to enter in my wallet address from my Base app. I'm going to send my address to myself so I can easily access it and copy it into Coinbase. Now that I have my address copied, I can paste it into Coinbase. I'm going to select my address, and then I'm going to send this ETH over the Base network. That means my ETH will be on the Base network, which is helpful for interacting with the social feed, but you can choose the Ethereum network or the Base network. The Base app has both, so you can send to either. I know the Base app supports the Base network, so I'm going to click. Then I'm going to enter in the amount of ETH I want to send. Today, I'm going to send $20 of USD to the Base app on the Base network. Then I'm going to click Preview. I'm going to check my transaction and click Send Now. Now my ETH is sending over the Base network to my Base app wallet. By the way, if your wallet has a .base.eth name attached to my Base app, I could have typed that in instead of the 0x address. Now, if I open my Base app, I can see the $20 worth of Ethereum in my wallet. Let's check it out. I'm going to open Base, go to my wallet page, and see the ETH on Base has been received. You can see the little Base icon next to my ETH. That is how you'd send tokens from Coinbase the Exchange to Base app, your user-controlled wallet. Now I can use this Ethereum on Base across the Base app, on social or in the mini apps. Follow SheFi.org for more tips on how to use the Base app.